In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to switch lines on iPhone. Now let's say you have two SIM cards in your phone and you would like to call someone using the other line. Simply head to your phone dialer. Now before you type in the number you want to call, select the line you want to use first. Just tap onto this letter. It's letter T representing travel. For your case it can be P for primary or B for business. Tap onto it and select the line you want to use and then make a call. If you already have the number saved, simply tap into it and click right here to select the line you want to use. In Messages, head to Start a Conversation. You will want to tap onto their profile icon and select on Conversation Line to select the line you want to use. Now to identify which line is which, simply head to your phone settings. Select Mobile Services. Inside this section on SIMs, head to them and see on Network Selection. Now my P is a line. To change the letters, tap right here. Well, that's how easy it is to change what line you want to use while making calls or messaging on iPhone. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.